Welcome to SweepSheet. In this video, we are going to talk about searching for sweepstakes. As you can see, we are logged into our SweepSheet account. We're going to go right here to sweepstakes listings, and we are going to go right here to the first option that you see, search for sweepstakes. Now, if you've been around SweepSheet, you're noticing that this page is a little bit different. There are some new options that we're presenting. The reason we put this together and brought some more of these options forward is that with tens and hundreds of thousands of sweepstakes available, searching is the best way to find what you're looking for. The ability to search is something that is constantly improving. It's improving on the web, it's improving on SweepSheet. It is just the de facto way to identify what you're looking for in all types of applications and all types of use cases. So what we've done is we've brought forward a number of the most common variables to help you find what you're looking for. Now, what you're going to see happen here works exactly the same way search worked before on SweepSheet. Nothing's changed. All we've done is bring forward a number of different options to help you find what you're looking for more quickly, more easily, and more effectively. You can still search for any term you're looking for. You can still use quotes to find the exact term that you're looking for. You can search for the headline only or the headline and body, which will be a little bit slower because it's looking through all of the content of each individual sweepstakes post. You can choose your end dates. You can choose thumbs up, meaning it's an item that is a website sweep that that is really worth your attention, or checkmarked, which means it will be featured in one of the upcoming newsletters or has been featured in one of the recent newsletters. You can decide whether you want this to be a sweep that you enter daily or enter one time only. You can also look for only fresh sweeps, which are those that have been entered in the past 7 days. You can select the category. Now, these categories are defined by the SweepSheet categories, or the larger taxonomy of how we organize sweepstakes on the site. You can also look across prize categories. Now, the prize category is if you're looking for something very, very specific, like cars or cash. You don't have to choose any of these. You can kind of mix and match what you're looking for to find what is most valuable for you. You can also choose where your sweepstakes is valid. Now, we're in Illinois, so we can say, I want to find sweepstakes that are available or open in Illinois. Now, what's important to know about the valid in function is that any sweeps that is open nationwide will also be included when you select a state. It is inclusive, not exclusive of nationwide or completely open sweeps. So if you select a couple states, let's say Illinois, Indiana, and we'll just go across right here, this will identify sweeps that are open in any of those states or are open nationwide. And if you want to remove them, it's very easy. You just go through, turn off any locations you don't want. Same thing for any of the provinces in Canada. So let's go in and let's actually do a search. And let's say we want to search for FIFA because the World Cup is coming up this fall, and that is something that is of tremendous interest to a lot of people because the trips to go to Qatar and see it are very large. And I mean, it would be awesome to go see the World Cup. Who doesn't want to do that? Let's see if we can find some that you enter one time only. We don't really need to worry about a category or a prize category right here because it doesn't matter. We want to find ones that are just available, enter one time only, and let's run a search. And you can see now there are two options that are still available. The Hyundai Motor America FIFA World Cup and the Hisense trip to the World Cup. Now, this is a great way to do it because this narrows down exactly what you're trying to find. And you can say there's two opportunities with one-time entry only. All right, let's do one more search. In this search, let's look specifically for automobiles or cars. And in this, we're going to just use the prize category. And we want to find them that are available in the state of Illinois, but that will also be those that are available nationwide. Again, the state or valid in option is inclusive of those that are available nationwide. Let's go ahead and hit search. You can see that it returns 53 entries, and all different types of cars and different types of sweepstakes. These are your prizes, but it's important to note over here exactly what the type is. Game pieces and official entry forms, a website sweep, mail-in. In each search result, it's going to highlight exactly the type of sweep as well. So you can find those that, again, you're most interested in or are going to give you what you feel is the best opportunity to win. What we can also do here is let's come in and say, I'm really interested in trying to win a car, but I want those that are only available with a one-time entry. Let's go ahead and refine that search. And you'll notice that moves it down to 6 entries that are available for one time only, automobiles, end date between today and in the future. And you can see there's 6 opportunities for me to win an automobile in this time frame. Now, this is a very simple way to do a search. Again, we're simply looking at a prize category. Now, let's go and let's do something completely different. Let's clear all of this out. Let's refresh our page. Make sure we're clear on all of them. We're clear. Now, let's go in and let's say that you won a particular prize and you don't remember exactly what the details of it were. You can come in here and you can search backwards. So let's say year to date, so between January 1st, 2022 and open, you won something from Frito-Lay. Let's go ahead and let's run this search. You can see that there are 28 sweeps that Frito-Lay has run so far this year, and you can then take a look at any one of them that may have been the one that you entered or won. And we highlight this feature because it's something that's used very often, which is to go back and look into the sweepstakes that were in the system that you may have entered, and then to see where they are. And then you can go and you can get any particular detail about that sweep, whether it has expired or not. Again, another way to just keep track of everything that's going on in your sweepstakes universe, and hopefully to make it as clean and clear and easy to use as possible. Now, as you use this, I'm sure you're going to have lots of questions. You're going to identify use cases that we haven't identified yet. Please let us know. We want to make sure this is as efficient and effective as possible to help you find exactly what you're looking for and have the best possible sweepstaking experience. Thank you for joining us for this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.